Corey and Greg upstairs.
Oh, Greg's gone.
It's
Oh.
Grandma.
Oh. Oh, you're right.
Should we go get him?
Not. Wait, what's
Maybe
the
we should.
entertainment? Grandpa.
Grandpa's gonna entertain. We're ready.
You ready?
We're ready.
Ready?
Okay, James, put that down.
There
Put it
was
down.
a boy, a plumb enchanted boy. They say he wandered fur, yes he wandered fur, over land and sea. Just a little shy with one bad eye, but very wise was he. And then one day he passed my way. And while we talked about this and that, and we skinned a cat, this he said to me, that the greatest thing you ever will learn is just to love and get a little loving right back.
Yay!